Yo, listen up, let me share a tale about the deep state and the power they hail. Unelected officials making moves in the night, shaping policy without a fight. They're the shadow government, the ones you don't see, pulling the strings while others get the tea. Intelligence agencies, the military too, bureaucrats and more, they're running the crew. They mismanaged intel, led to a war, costing lives and causing a scar on the public trust. It did a number, showing the dangers of unchecked power. NSA was spying, Snowden did tell on Americans without a warrant to compel. Privacy rights violated, a line was crossed. Deep state overreach and the people were lost. Regulations stifling, innovation blocked. EPA, FDA with rules locked. States and locals, they had no say in the decisions that shaped their day. But some want more government, they believe is the path to justice, equality to achieve. In healthcare, education, they want a hand, a bigger government across the land. Critics say it's a recipe for disaster, inefficiency, waste, and a diminished liberty master. Corruption and abuse, with powers unchecked. The deep state's failings leave us wrecked. So what's the solution? How do we proceed? More oversight, that's what we need. Congress must watch with a careful eye. Audits and investigations, don't ask why. Transparency's key, let the light shine in. Freedom of information, let the truth spin. Watchdog agencies to keep them in check. Public disclosure, show us the debt. Regulations, let's cut the red tape. Give power back to the states, it's only fair and great. Impact assessments before they enact, so the burden's minimized, that's a fact. Public service, that's the way. Merit-based hiring, every single day. Ethics and diversity, let's make it real. A government for the people, that's how we feel. So that's the roadmap to change the game. From the deep state to a government with a name. Accountable, transparent, and strong.